Alright, here we are. Inside the BMW, the E93. What is clicking? Can you hear that? That's not good. Well, clicking stopped. Oh, what is going on in life? It's clicking again. Alright. Anyways. Okay. Not even enough juice to pop the trunk. Alrighty. Here we go. But what's going on here? Okay, hold on. Alright, got that open. She's a little stuck. Have to throw some lubricant in there. Battery's over here. Probably needs a new battery. Jumper cables. I have the Super Flex jumper cables. Yeah, you know, they're for if you get a booster car a mile away. I enjoy them for this kind of situation. Look at that. Still hooked up, pulling on it. It's good stuff. Alright, here we go. Looking at the positive first because I'm a wild man. Come on. Negative. Alright, let's try this again. Oh! She beeped at me. Gonna make a phone call. There we go. Okay, you can stop that. Stop. Stop. Stop that. Why is it doing that? Stop making noises. What? Okay. Alright. Trusty old, like, you know, this is a 69, and I just wiggled the cables, and it fired right up. This is 98. Electronics, I tell you. They're, progression, electronics, they're so good. Yeah, okay. I'm sure they are. And why isn't this, Anyways, here we go. Squeaky either pulley or something. Come on, come on. You can go home. Finally, that stopped doing whatever it was doing. What's going on with the screen? don't get it. Well, at least it did that. I've been watching some YouTube videos and reading some things, so we'll clean the idle air control valve. O2 sensor might be bad. I get my scanner and check what that's all about, but we'll see. Let's get her up to temp here. Is this gonna work now? Sounds like it's clearing up faster. Will idle? Nope. Nope.
Support local. Search Fresh 93.1.
It is clearing up quicker than it used to. It's not there yet, but there it is. You used to have to like get to, you know, reel into the worm before to do this. It's still still technically in the blue. It's not idling happy. I have to get my scanner and see. She loves it cold. High revs cold is good for an engine. So, alright. Just want to make a video of starting the vehicle. Well, the two projects anyways. Really want to get this one figured out because it's going to be my daily. I just love the manual. That was a trunk closing. That's how I close the trunk. Ta-da! And gotta figure out why it does that. Alrighty. Hope you enjoy. Not really anything. Oh no! That's fantastic. Oh, didn't do anything. Thank goodness. Unhook this. Probably get a new battery for it. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Was fine before. I don't know why it didn't start. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.